Good day everyone. So we're going to start developing a Java application. Step 1. Open the system control panel. Then select the advanced tab. Step 2. Click the environment variable button and the following dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click the new button below System Variables. Step 4. Within the variable name field, enter Java underscore home. And in the variable value, enter the directory where Java JDK was extracted previously. Then click the OK button. Step 6. Click the edit button to the path variable in the system variable section. Step 7. Click the new button and type Java home. Click OK and restart your system. So now we're back. Let's set up the Eclipse IDE. We're going to create our first Hello World application. Launch Eclipse. Create a new Java project by selecting File, New Java Project. We need to give our project an appropriate name, so I'm putting my name, creating this project. Now, we can create a new Java class by selecting File, New Class. Let's name our new Java class Hello Printer. Then check the box under that says public static void main string args. Make sure to start your class name with a capital letter. Finish writing the code for this program by replacing the comment with the statement. Finally, run the program. That's it. We wrote our first Java program in the Eclipse. Thank you for watching.